Hello viewers, this is Devinder Kaur and welcome to my YouTube channel The Enlightened Room. This video is based on the topic of our previous video in which we had studied about molecular mass and we had get to know about the rules to find the molecular mass. So in this video we will discuss some problems that are based on the calculation of molecular mass. That means we are going to solve these two problems which are based on the calculation of molecular mass. So let's get started with our first problem. Here in the first problem, we have to calculate the molecular masses of these three substances. Okay. In the first one we have C12H22O11. Okay. In the first one we have C12H22O11. So we're going to try to find its molecular mass. So for molecular mass of C12H22O11, what we're going to do, we have 12 molecules of carbon and the atomic mass of carbon is given here. Okay, so that would be 12 times atomic mass of carbon plus H22, 22 times atomic mass of hydrogen plus here is O11, that means 11 times atomic mass of oxygen. Okay, so atomic mass of carbon here is 12 atomic mass unit or 12U plus 22 times 1 because atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 11 times atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now we're gonna multiply these three individually. Okay, so 12 times 12, 144 plus 22 times 122 plus 11 times 16 would come up to be 176, I guess. And then when we add these through, we will get the molecular mass of C12H22O11. So we're gonna add these three and we will get 342 atomic mass unit. Okay, 342 atomic mass unit. So here is our answer. Okay, now for the second part we have Al2SO4 thrice. So we have the required atomic masses of aluminium, sulfur and oxygen here. Okay, we are provided with it. So we're going to find the molecular mass of Al2SO4 thrice, right? So for that there should be 2 times atomic mass of aluminium, right? Plus now here comes the twist. It is SO4 thrice, so that should be 3 times S atomic 1, that means that there would be 1 multiplied by atomic mass of sulfur plus 4O 4 times atomic mass of oxygen and the bracket closed. So the sum of these two would be multiplied by 3 and that would be added to this and then we will get the molecular mass of Al2SO4 thrice. Okay, this is what it means for the thrice. Okay, now 2 times atomic mass of aluminium is 27 plus 3 times bracket starts atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus 4 times atomic mass of oxygen 4 times 16. Okay, so we're gonna solve these two, then multiplied by 3, then solve these two. Okay, so that would be 54 plus 3 times 32 plus 48 and then you solve it, whole this process, you're going to solve this and you will get 342 atomic mass unit for this. Okay, now we're going to solve the third part of question 1, that is CuSO4.5H2O. Okay, so for that we're going to find the molecular mass of CuSO4.5H2O. I'm not gonna go so formal. Okay, so we're gonna solve it without writing the whole process, atomic mass of this, atomic mass of that, okay. We're going to solve it directly now. Now for the copper, it is 63.5 plus, then comes the sulfur, right. For sulfur, the atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus O4, that means 4 times 16 would be 48 plus 5 times H2O. H2, H has 1, so 2 times 1 would be 2 plus O, that means 16. Okay, so we're going to solve it. Here is 63.5 plus 80 plus 5 times 18. Okay, so you just have to multiply these two and then add to these two. We will get 249.5 atomic mass unit. Okay, so you're going to get 249.5 atomic mass unit. Now for the second question, we have to find the molecular mass of KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Now again, I'm not going to go formally, because in the first two questions I had told you everything according to the rule, according to the formal way, but then you should solve it directly so that you will continue to getting up speedy. Okay, you will continue to get up speed and you will solve your problems in very short time. Okay, then comes K. K has the atomic number of 39 plus Mn, manganese, has atomic number of 55 plus O4, you would have remembered for O it is 16. When you will solve these problems now, especially for oxygen, for hydrogen, for carbon, you will definitely learn them. You don't need to work for it, try for it, you will learn it automatically. Okay, so O4 was 48. We had solved in the first problem. O4 was 48 and then we're just going to add these three. So when we add these three, our answer is 158 atomic mass units. So you see, lesser space, okay, and it took lesser time, right? Then comes the molecular mass of potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. Okay, now it is 2 times 39 plus Cr. Cr means chromium, it is 2 times 52 plus O7, that means 7 times 16. Multiply these two, multiply these two, multiply these two, and then add the answers. What you will get? Well, I will tell you the answer. It would come out to be 294 atomic mass unit. You just need to get to be speedy. You just need to get fast with the multiplication and addition, and you will solve these problems. These problems are pretty easy and you will get these problems in your exams for sure. Okay, so this is up for today's video. See you in the next video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it as soon as possible and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.